Good evening and welcome to the news. First, let us take a look at the headlines. Ongoing rainfall triggers optimism over power scenario. Government confident of giving relief to consumers soon. Social Welfare Minister Paul Lingdor denies allegations of protecting Kermanshala in alleged rice scam. Congress will perform role of constructive opposition, says opposition leader Ronnie V. Lingdor. And demand for local fishes gone up in Shillong after government bans imported fishes for 15 days. The news in detail. Meghalaya has heaved a sigh of relief with the ongoing rainfall in the state, and Power Minister Abu Tahir Mondal is optimistic that with the arrival of rainy season, the power scenario in the state would improve. The statement came from the minister as the state is witnessing 8 to 10 hour load shedding every day since last 2 months, as most of the generating units were not working due to the dry spell. Hoping that the crisis will be over soon, he said that once the state receives more rain, which would lead to improved generation of power, the government would certainly give relief to the consumers.
Yeah, and we were insisting on that from the beginning only, that once monsoon arrives, this crisis will be over. So we are hoping that now situation will be better in our favor. With more rains, we'll be able to give relief to the consumers.
Social Welfare Minister Paul Lingdor denied the allegations that he is protecting his United Democratic Party colleague Kermanshala from the rice scam. Lingdor said a panel spent about 10 months conducting the probe into the allegations but did not find any illegal or irregular activities pertaining to the Meghalaya allotted rice found by the Assam police in a private storehouse at Boko near Guwahati. Citing the inquiry report, he said the members of the commission visited the ICDS centers and recorded the statements of end users, most of whom said they were happy with the products. The state government ordered a probe into the alleged scam on July 29, 2021, almost 2 months after the Assam police seized 1 lakh bags of rice, each weighing 50 kg.
This commission had taken a lot of time, gone to the centers, contacted the Assam police, met with the end users, meaning those who are beneficiaries at the ICDS level, met 200 of them, taken the samples of the rice, got it tested. What more does the government have to say? Therefore, it is an attempt to defame me personally, defame the party, the UDP, and to link a scam of that scale without having even seen this report.
Newly elected leader of the opposition, LO, Congress legislator from Milliam, Ronnie V. Lingdor, has said that his party will work as the constructive opposition, with the government honouring the democratic process by electing the LO from the Congress. Lingdor said issues crop up on a daily basis, and if there are issues that need immediate attention, they will apprise all other political parties on those, even as he added that issues and problems are dynamic, and they as opposition will let the ruling government know things which require immediate attention. Lingdor also refrained from commenting on the Trinamool Congress and Voice of the People party not being offered any post.
We will provide constructive opposition, and then this reflects the government honouring the democratic process, the democratic institutions, by appointing an LO from the opposition party. Issues from day to day, they keep cropping up. Now, if there are issues that need immediate attention, we will contact all other political parties. And if there are issues that can be taken in the House, we will take up in the House.
The fish sellers are worried as Meghalaya government has banned the sale, distribution and storage of imported fish for a period of 15 days after a sample test of imported fishes showed the presence of formalin. While the ban of imported fishes into the state has created problems of fish sellers, interestingly, with this situation, the demand for local fish has gone up overnight. In view of formalin being reported in fish, the state government on June 8 prohibited the distribution or sale of imported fresh fish or crustaceans brought from outside the state for 15 days in the interest of public health. The Office of the District Mission Coordinator SSA along with the Office of the District School Education Officer DSEO West Khasi Hills in collaboration with Red FM Shillong on June 9th organized a program on Jan Bhagidari Events Roadshow at Nongstern. The program was attended by R. Kharkangor EAC of the district as a chief guest, and while addressing in the program, Kharkangor said that initiatives has been taken by the central government to develop the proficiency of the students so that they could study with understanding and knowledge. As many as 52 youths from West Jant Hills district were felicitated with certificates and start-up tools after they successfully completed the training on street food. The training was conducted by Greta Solutions Training Academy under the project Skill Meghalaya with support from Kyang Nangba Government College, Jawai. The felicitation program was attended by Jawai local MLA Wailat Miki Shilla, who distributed the certificates and start-up tools to the trainees. Addressing the gathering, Wailat Miki Shilla urged the youth not only to wait for government jobs, but to grab such opportunities which will help them in getting a livelihood. The weather report. The maximum temperature was 25 degrees Celsius and the minimum temperature was 18.2 degrees Celsius. Relative humidity in the morning was 100%, while in the evening was 86%. 1.8 millimeters of rainfall was recorded. The forecast, light to moderate rain is very likely to occur at many places. Before we wind up, here are the headlines once again. Ongoing rainfall triggers optimism over power scenario. Government confident of giving relief to consumers soon. Social Welfare Minister Paul Lyngdoh denies allegations of protecting Kerman Shala in alleged rice scam. Congress will perform role of constructive opposition, says opposition leader Ronnie V. Lyngdoh. And demand for local fishes gone up in Shillong after government bans imported fishes for 15 days. And that's all we have in the news for today. Until we meet again tomorrow at the same time, same channel. Good night.